What if I told you you are not poor because you don't work hard? You are not rich because you are smart. You are inside a system, an invisible system that controls your money, your time, and your entire life. This system is called the economic matrix. Scarcity. You are human. And like every human, you want a better house, a nice car, the latest iPhone, vacations, good food, and financial freedom. But here's the problem. Your wants are unlimited, but resources are limited. There are not enough luxury homes for everyone. There is not enough money for everyone to be rich. There are only 24 hours in a day. This problem is called scarcity. And because of scarcity, we must make choices, and every choice has a cost. Opportunity cost. Meet Alex. He is a college student. Tonight, he has 3 hours. He can either study for his exam or watch Netflix. If he chooses Netflix, the real cost is not the time. The real cost is the grades he sacrificed. This is called opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is what you give up to get something. Right now, watching this video also has an opportunity cost. You could be doing something else. Time is not free. Every decision has a hidden price. Trade. So, if everyone has limited time and limited skills, how does the world function? The answer is trade. Meet Jake. Jake is a video editor, but he needs money. Meet Mike. Mike has money, but no time to edit videos. So Jake edits videos for Mike. Mike pays money to Jake. Now Jake has money, Mike has time. Both win. This is called trade. Trade makes both people better off. Comparative advantage. Now, here's where it gets interesting. What if Mike is actually better at editing than Jake? Should Mike edit his own videos? No, because Mike runs a business where he makes $1,000 per hour. If Mike spends time editing, he loses $1,000. Jake only gives up maybe $50 worth of time. So even if Jake is not the best, Jake should edit. This is called comparative advantage. It's not about who is best, it's about who gives up less to do the job. This is why people specialize. This is why countries trade. This is why jobs exist. Market. When buyers and sellers meet, a market is created. But who decides the price? Prices are decided by demand and supply. If a product becomes rare but everyone wants it, price goes up. If a product is everywhere but no one wants it, price goes down. The price where buyers and sellers agree is called equilibrium price. Prices are not random. Prices are signals. High price tells businesses, produce more. Low price tells businesses, produce less. This system runs automatically. Invisible hand. This automatic system was explained by Adam Smith, and he called it the invisible hand. An invisible force that controls prices, controls markets, controls decisions without any central boss. But this is just the beginning, because the real question is, who controls money? Why do banks create money out of nothing? Why do prices keep rising every year? And why do the rich keep getting richer while everyone else keeps working? We'll talk about that in Part 2. In Part 2, you will learn how money is really created, how banks create money from nothing, why inflation secretly makes you poorer, why your salary is decided by a hidden rule, and how the rich use the system to get richer. So if you don't want to stay stuck in the system and you actually want to understand how money works, subscribe to the channel. Because school teaches you how to work, but here you learn how money works. See you in Part 2, The Money Matrix.